How to change your email address on Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Microsoft Outlook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the Google icon over here at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen again. Then scroll down and tap on accounts. So here you can see the two options, add account and create new account. Since we want to change our email address, we can do either of this. I'm going to add account and then I'm going to tap on add an email account. Well, you can also add OneDrive for Business, Google Drive, Dropbox or Box. I'm going to add an email account and then I'm going to add Google account. So as I tap on add Google account, it will provide me with different Google ID that I have on my device. So you can select any of this one. So I'm going to select one of these, and after I tap on the required email address that I want to associate with it, I just have to tap on continue and give it the access over here. And after giving the access, it will start authenticating. And there you go, I've already added changed my Gmail address. I've added it, so you can just change it now by going into the settings and gear icon, and then tap on accounts and tap on the required account over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.